Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I am doing another look for you from the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. Today's look is called Fall in Lust with Me. How fitting. Fall in love with me, fall in lust with me. I think we all do one or the other. If we're being completely real, we either fall in love or we fall in lust because we think somebody's so hot or they're super attracted to us, so we fall in lust with them, right? We do one or the other. Anyways, moving on. I am doing this look today. I feel like it looks somewhat the same. What do you think? I think this one is a little different just because they're wearing lashes, and you'll see in the video where I did make a change because I feel like the end results that I got at the end of following all the steps was not this. So I did kind of put my little spin on it, and I'll explain that in the video. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, then just keep watching. I hope this video won't be too long, but I'm actually seeing the bottom of my little pan. I love when we get to that point because it's like, yes, I'm using it. So I've already primed my eyes, and now I'm going to start the look. And we're going in with our beautiful Lust palette here from Too Faced. And I'm just going to continue with this. I think there's a total of 5 looks in here. There is 6 looks. I've done 2. I've done the Natural Wonder and then the Lust for Color. So today is Fall in Lust with Me. That leaves me with 3 more looks to create from this look. Okay, so for the first step, it says highlight from crease to brow bone with Take the Cake. It is the second shade right here. Hopefully you can see it. Like I said in my last video, if you want to see close-up of this, I'm going to link the first video here so you guys can go and check out the colors and see the names close up. I do want to take the first shade called Buff It Out. This is like just in skin tone color because it's something I do to set my eye primer. I just place it all over the lids. So just take any color or take a translucent powder and set your primer. Then now we're gonna take the cake and we're going to place that. It says from your crease to your brow bone, so literally all of this. This comes off as a soft pink with a little bit of like an iridescent glow to it. It's a very, very powdery, like literally I have so much kickback from this shadow. It looks super matte in the pan, but once you start applying it, it just comes off kind of like iridescent-ish. My lighting is just kind of over the place. I'm filming at night, and every time I film at night, I can never like get my lighting how I need it to be. It's always trial and error. You can see it's a very like muted pink, super pale. Then it says sweep Come and Get It into the crease, blending upwards. So we had Take the Cake, and then we're gonna do Come and Get It, which is a more mauve toned. Has those berry undertones to it. So we're putting this in the crease, and this also has a lot of kickback. Wow. I haven't experienced that with any of the matte shadows, but I think we were mostly working with the shimmers. So this is the first look that's more of matte colors or matte-like colors. And I haven't gone to try them out, so here we go. So next it says press Sex Drive onto the lid and inner corner of the lower lash line. It looks like we're working with the colors at the top. So this one is Sex Drive. It's a more shimmery berry tone. So we're going to apply that onto the lid. I love colors like these because it's just so like, I don't know, it's just beautiful. So what have you guys been up to during quarantine? I literally have just been working. So that keeps me busy, and then just like finding little things to do here and there, like making time to make a video. I told myself today that I was going to try a workout today. I did one yesterday because I just feel like I've just been gaining weight. Oh my gosh. So I tried a workout yesterday. I did legs, and then I said I was going to try one today, but I just am not feeling it, and I wanted to do a video, so that's what I'm doing instead of working out. We'll see how I feel after this video is done. Maybe I'll go do it. I wanted to do like abs today. I will do the lower lash line part once my foundation is on. Then it wants us to take the very last shade and do like an eyeliner with it. So this very last one is just like a very like, reminds me of like a mulberry color. So I might have just lost that footage. Like these batteries that I have for my camera are just driving me a little nuts. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna have the footage for the eyeliner, but I literally just, what I did was take a color that's like this, because the next, hold up, let's start over. We're gonna take this shade here called Pin Down and create like an eyeliner effect. So what I do, I take a eyeliner pencil and do the line first, and then I use the shadow to go over it. So I literally lined my eye and then picked up the color Pin Down. I just use a eyeliner or an angled, small angled brush to go over the pencil liner. That's what I was sitting here doing, and I can't get them to match exactly, but I think this is gonna work for now. So that's literally it for this portion of the eyes. So I'm gonna clean up here, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. So I've got pretty much my face done. I just need to do the rest of the eyes before the camera dies. Anyway, so we're gonna take the same shade Pinned Down. I'm gonna use that same brush that we used to do the liner. And it says to smudge it right along the lower lash line. This is a pretty pigmented color. So then you want to take Sex Drive, which is the lid shade, and place it on the inner lower lash line. It looks like they brought the Pin Down shade like halfway in, and same thing with the inner corner shade. And that is pretty much the look. That is the eye. So let me put some mascara. Keep like stopping my camera because I don't want it to die, because these batteries drive me off the wall. They're not good anymore. When I first got them, they were like amazing because they held a charge for like a long time, and now they hold it for like maybe 20 minutes. I am getting a charger, an actual cord that attaches to my camera. Hopefully, they said it should come in next month due to the whole pandemic, but hopefully it'll come in soon. This is the look. I don't feel like it looks like this at all. It does not. I feel like the shades that they use for the crease are more brown tones versus the pink that they requested. What is it called? Take the Cake and Come and Get It. I feel like that's not the shades that they use. I feel like this is too pink versus in here. I'm gonna take All Tied Up and just add that to the brow bone just to give a little bit more oomph, if you want to call that. Now I just need the lips. I'm gonna go for a more nude shade since we've got a lot of pinks on the eye. This is a lip crayon by MUA in the color, it's a semi-matte lipstick in Flesh. So here is the look that I feel doesn't look like this. I honestly don't know what I could have done differently other than use a different crease shade to make this look like the picture. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my same blending brush, and I'm gonna go and pick up a little bit of Set in Stone. It's that shade right there. I'm gonna go over the crease. Do you guys see that difference already between this eye and this one? I'm liking this so much better. And then, since we were supposed to use Come and Get It in the crease, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of it and just go over like the actual outer corner. I'm gonna go old school and try this little, what do you call this? A little sponge tip applicator and take the lid shade. Ooh, I picked it up really nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is definitely setting it. And this is the lid color that we're using called Sex Drive. Definitely. Do you see the difference? When you're creating looks, you not only have to think about the colors you're using and how they apply, but you also have to think about your tools. If you don't have the right tools, you will not get the look that you were hoping for. Okay, so yes, I prefer this so much better with the browns versus the pink shade that they had us use. I don't know why they had us use that shade, but I did not like it. But it was just a suggestion, right? So you can do whatever you want with your look. I think it's still different. I feel like it's better. I think we would definitely need to use a deeper brown for the crease, because then this does give it a little bit more definition, but this one has a lot more darker brown in the crease here. And they have lashes. We pretend to have lashes on. Anyways, this is the look. I hope you had fun just playing around with it. If you have this palette, give this look a try, do your own spin on it. I definitely love the spin with the different crease color versus what's in the little packet or the little guide here. But get creative, play with your makeup, especially if you have nothing else to do because you're in quarantine. Just give it a go and have fun. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and hopefully you enjoy this video and come back for some more. I do want to create every single look in here, so that is my goal. I've never done that with any of these like palettes that I have. I do have a palette that I do want to give it a try, so that will be coming somewhere in the near future. But for now, if you like this video, I hope you come back for more like this. And I do have my quarantine vlogs here and there in between. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.